Welcome to this complete Zakynthos Greece travel guide. Picture a paradise where time-honored traditions meet stunning natural beauty. Yes, it's Zakynthos, a captivating Greek island brimming with rich history. Here, the old-world charm effortlessly blends with a vibrant sense of adventure. From sun-soaked beaches to quaint villages, and from ancient castles to breathtaking blue caves, Zakynthos is a cornucopia of experiences. So buckle up, fellow wanderers. Get ready to discover the top 13 things to do in Zakynthos. The first stop on our journey is the iconic Shipwreck beach. Tucked away on the coast of Zakynthos, this beach tells a tale of adventure and intrigue. Nestled within its sandy shores lies the rusted remains of a freightliner that ran aground in the early 80s, giving the beach its distinctive name. But the beach isn't just about the shipwreck, it's the stunning cliffs surrounding it that truly take your breath away. Rising majestically from the azure waters, these limestone cliffs create a natural amphitheater that cradles the beach, casting imposing shadows and creating a dramatic backdrop for the shipwreck. The contrast between the white sand, the turquoise sea, and the stark cliffs is truly a sight to behold. An unforgettable experience, Shipwreck Beach will leave you in awe. Next, we dive into the mesmerizing blue caves. Picture a network of caverns carved over centuries by the tireless work of the sea. These aren't your regular caves, though. They're a testament to nature's artistry, with walls that reflect the azure hue of the Ionian Sea, creating a magical, otherworldly atmosphere. Imagine gliding over the crystal-clear waters, the sunlight bouncing off the surface, casting a captivating blue light that illuminates the entire cave. It's like swimming in a sapphire. The blue caves are more than just a sightseeing spot. They're a place where you can truly connect with the raw beauty of nature. The blue caves are a spectacle you simply cannot miss. Now we venture into the charming Zakynthos town, a place where ancient history and contemporary culture intertwine. Zakynthos town is truly the heart of this island. Its unique architecture tells tales of Venetian, Byzantine, and Ottoman influences, each structure a testament to the town's rich multicultural past. Every corner, every alleyway holds a story waiting to be discovered. The town's vibrant atmosphere is infectious, from the lively marketplaces bustling with activity to the jovial tavernas serving mouth-watering Greek cuisine. The town is always pulsating with life. The locals, warm and hospitable, embrace their past while welcoming the future with open arms. Zakynthos town isn't just a place, it's an experience, a journey through history, culture, and good old-fashioned fun. Zakynthos town is a blend of history, culture, and fun. Let's step back in time at the Venetian castle. Perched on Bohali Hill, this remarkable fortress bears tales of Zakynthos's rich history. Built during the Venetian reign in the 15th century, it served as a sanctuary during invasions and pirate attacks. Don't be fooled by its ruins. They echo stories of resilience, survival, and historical grandeur. As you wander around, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, the stone walls, the archaic archways, the remnants of a bygone era. They all add to the castle's allure. So if you're a history buff or just someone who appreciates a good story, this is your place. The Venetian castle offers a glimpse into the island's rich past. Prepare for breathtaking views from the Kerry Lighthouse. Perched high on a cliff edge, this sentinel of the sea offers a panorama that will stir your soul. The lighthouse stands as an invitation to gaze out over the azure expanse of the Ionian Sea, where the water meets the sky in a seamless blend of blue. Turn your gaze towards the island and you'll see Zakynthos in all its glory. Rolling hills, lush greenery, and the distant sparkle of sunlit waves. It's a sight that has left many a traveler speechless. The view from the Kerry Lighthouse isn't just a view, it's an experience, a moment captured in time. The Kerry Lighthouse offers some of the best views in Zakynthos. Let's discover the enchanting village of Volimes. Nestled in the mountainous terrain of Zakynthos, this village is an epitome of tranquility. Picture quaint traditional houses, their white walls contrasting beautifully with the lush green surroundings. Each one tells a story, a tale of timeless Greek charm. Here, the air is filled with the scent of local crafts. The villagers are skilled artisans, their hands weaving magic into beautiful lacework and intricate embroidery. From pottery to woven rugs, each piece is a testament to the village's rich cultural heritage. The serene atmosphere of Volimes is a soothing balm to the soul. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to truly unwind. After a day filled with adventure, Volumes is a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle. Next, we unwind at the serene Porto Limnionis beach. This secluded gem, tucked away from the bustling tourist hotspots, offers an untouched paradise. Marvel at the water's clarity that rivals a polished-looking glass, reflecting the azure sky. The beach is a symphony of beautiful rocks, each unique, sculpted by the gentle caress of the sea waves. The atmosphere here is tranquility personified, as if the beach itself is inviting you to breathe, relax, and just be. You can hear the whispers of the wind, the soft sigh of the sea, and the occasional bird's song, all blending into a harmonious melody. Porto Limnionis Beach is the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Now we visit the tranquil monastery of Panaia Anaphonitria. Nestled in the lush greenery of Zakynthos, this spiritual haven has been a beacon of serenity since the 15th century. Its humble stone walls and Byzantine architecture speak volumes of its rich historical lineage. Here you'll find the revered icon of Panaia Anaphonitria, the Virgin Mary, which has been a symbol of hope and faith for centuries. The monastery's surroundings are equally captivating. Olive groves, vineyards, and the distant Ionian Sea compose a peaceful tableau that calms the soul. It's no wonder that St. Dionysios, the island's patron saint, chose this serene spot for his final years. The monastery of Panaia Anaphonitria is a serene spiritual retreat. It offers a moment of respite amid your travel adventures, a quiet place to reflect and rejuvenate before you continue your journey. Next up, we explore the vibrant village of Alikis, nestled on the northeastern coast of Zakynthos. Alikis brims with an irresistible charm. It's a place where the warmth of the sun is matched only by the warmth of the locals. The village is a bustling hub teeming with life and laughter. Imagine strolling down the sandy beaches, the azure sea lapping at your feet as you soak up the Grecian sun. The aroma of freshly baked bread and sizzling souvlaki wafts from local tavernas, inviting you to partake in the culinary celebration of Greek cuisine. From the lively atmosphere to the breathtaking beaches and tantalizing tastes, Alikis offers a slice of authentic Greece. Alikis is a lively and charming village that's worth a visit. Now we splash around at the water village in Sarakinado. This place is the epitome of fun and excitement. Here you'll find a myriad of water rides that will get your adrenaline pumping. From towering slides that send you spiraling down into refreshing pools, to relaxing, lazy rivers that let you unwind under the Greek sun. But the fun doesn't stop there. The water village also offers an array of activities that cater to all ages. For the little ones, there's a dedicated children's area, complete with mini slides and splash zones. For the adults, there's a wave pool and a jacuzzi to relax and soak in. Indeed, the water village is a fun-filled adventure for all ages. Next, we relax on the pristine Geracus beach. A place where time seems to stand still. This beach is a natural treasure with its soft golden sand that feels like a gentle massage beneath your feet. As you walk along the shoreline, the crystal clear water laps at your toes, a gentle reminder of the calm and peace that the beach embodies. The atmosphere here is one of tranquility, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. The symphony of the waves, the whisper of the breeze, and the rhythmic dance of the water against the sand create a soothing soundtrack to a day of relaxation. As the sun sets, the sky paints a breathtaking picture, a perfect ending to a perfect day. Geracus Beach is a paradise for beach lovers. Let's explore the picturesque village of Agios Leon. Nestled amidst the verdant landscapes of Zakynthos, Agios Leon takes you back in time with its charming traditional houses. Each home tells a story, an echo of the island's rich history and vibrant culture. Now shift your gaze to the breathtaking views. The village offers an uninterrupted panorama of the Ionian Sea, a sight that's truly unparalleled. It's like a living postcard, a vivid display of nature's grandeur. And let's not forget the local crafts. Agios Leon is home to talented artisans who create beautiful handicrafts, each piece resonating with the island's artistic spirit. From intricate pottery to hand-woven textiles, there's a treasure trove of artistry to discover. Agios Leon is a true gem of Zakynthos. Finally, we visit the fascinating Zakynthos Marine Park. This stunning sanctuary is home to a myriad of marine life, including the endangered loggerhead sea turtles. The park's dedicated team works tirelessly to protect these beautiful creatures and their natural habitats. It's not just about the turtles, though. you'll find a vast array of other sea life, from playful dolphins to colorful schools of fish. The park's conservation efforts don't end at the water's edge either. The surrounding land is a protected area too, offering a safe haven for many bird species. It's an experience that effortlessly blends education with enjoyment, offering an authentic glimpse into the heart of Zakynthos' natural wonders. The Zakynthos Marine Park is a must-visit for nature and wildlife enthusiasts. That concludes our journey through Zakynthos. We've experienced the stunning Shipwreck beach, delved into the depths of the Blue Caves, and immersed ourselves in the vibrant Zakynthos town. We've relished the views from Kerry Lighthouse and soaked up the sun on Porto Limnionis Beach. We've explored the rustic charm of Volimes Aleix and Agios Leon and marveled at the aquatic wonders of the water village and marine park. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through Zakynthos, Greece. Until next time, safe travels.